This double bunk bed is durable, comfortable, and attractive for kids who love everything pink. If you're looking for the best addition to your kid's bedroom, you might want to consider this elegantly designed wood bunk bed. This twin bunk bed has visually appealing windows and color combinations. Want to give your kid a room where he can both play and sleep? This is the bunk bed you've been looking for. It has a slide on the side that he can use anytime. Take a look at this disproportionate bunk bed that can provide ultimate privacy. This bunk bed is a combination of wood and metal materials that are both durable. The top bunk may serve as your kid's reading space and a place to entertain his friends. This bunk bed has a permanently installed ladder, which allows your kids to go up and down from the top bunk easily. With its storage-type stairs and shelves, this is the best space-saver bunk bed for kids with multiple books and extra clothes. This pink bunk bed can fulfill one of your baby girl's dreams of becoming a princess.